Hello and welcome back to HardReset.info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to screen rotation on TCL 60 SE NXTpaper. Let's begin. Let's begin with simply checking if we have screen rotation enabled. We can easily do that by expanding our control center at the top, and then we can expand it once again. And as you can see, we do have our auto rotate option right here. In order to enable auto rotate, we simply want to click on it, and now our auto rotation is enabled. However, if you don't see this panel, I would advise you to simply click the pencil icon here, scroll down to the bottom when you can add and drag new tiles to your control center, and then simply add your auto rotate. This should work something like this. It's here, and all you want to do is simply hold and drag it to the top. And as you can see now, it's in a different spot. However, if somehow your issues still persist, I would simply advise you to also turn off your device. You can easily do that by pressing and holding power button and hitting restart. I know it sounds kind of silly, but restarting your device will restart not only the software and the system, but also every single hardware that is inside your phone, including gyroscope, which is responsible for rotating your screen. And also, it's pretty important to note that some applications are simply locked in to certain modes and they cannot exit it no matter what. The best example for this is probably games, like Clash Royale, for example, is only working in portrait mode. You won't be able to play it in landscape mode, and vice versa. For example, Call of Duty Mobile, or like Genshin Impact and all of that. These are locked into landscape mode, and you cannot play them in portrait mode. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.